FireDos proportioners and monitors, reliable technology for fire brigades and extinguishing systems. In case of a fire, a reliable and precise equipment is essential. This is why FireDos has developed entirely mechanical proportioners. They are driven by the extinguishing water flow only. There are no electronic components which could cause trouble. Starting the water flow means starting the proportioning. Precisely generated foam or surfactant water is provided to the firefighters. Thanks to the special proportioning pump, both the heat of discharge and the type of foam agent are without effect. The proportioning rate set will always be maintained, precisely allowing a most effective firefighting. Operating is simple, even when wearing protection gloves. The setting of the proportioning rate is done by either a hand wheel for a stepless adjustment or in steps by turning a ball valve. That's all. Of course, remote control is possible as well. FireDos proportioners installed in extinguishing systems are as important for the foam quality. Due to the water motor principle, a backup power supply is unnecessary. Use is possible in sprinkler and deluge, wet and dry systems. Of course, approved by VDS and FM. Again, operation is simple and limited to 3 different ball valves. To ensure the operating status of the proportioner, the ball valves can either be monitored by electric switches or locked mechanically. In extinguishing systems, it is a must to test the proportioning rate regularly. This is crucial for the effectiveness in case of a fire. Very simple. By turning one of the ball valves, the foam agent will no longer be admixed to the water, but circulated back to the tank. A special valve needs to be adjusted to make sure that the pressure in return line to the foam agent tank will be the same as in the water line during live operation. Now the amount of foam agent returned is measured. The main advantage: water and foam agent stay separate. No foam agent is consumed and no premix needs to be disposed. Both saves a lot of money. In the next step, the amount of water flow will be determined either by measuring the revolutions of the water motor or by using a flow meter. Calculating the proportioning rate from the 2 figures measured before is that easy. Set value 3%. Minimum tolerable 3%. Maximum tolerable 3.9%. Foam agent flow rate 18 liters per minute. FireDos FD 10,000, 39.5 revolutions per minute. Water volume per revolution 12.5 liters. Water flow rate 39.5 revolutions per minute times 12.5 liters equals 493.75 liters per minute. Real value 18 divided by, in brackets, 18 plus 493.75 equals 3.5%. That is 0.5% in reserve. The newly developed FireDos monitors do not only look different. The elbows in their octagonal oval flat design are the result of a flow-optimized interior which reduces the pressure loss to a minimum. This way, the jet reaches a maximum projection range. Nozzles for all jet types and extinguishing agents are available, also for foam or powder. Just as required, the monitor is operated manually or remote controlled. Various type series cover flow rates from 1,000 to 60,000 liters per minute. The nozzles allow flow rate adjustment also during operation and at full pressure. Designed as a sturdy all-round monitor, we always use the same reliable design for various fields of application. Remote-controlled FireDos monitors are available with DC, single or 3-phase AC drives. We can supply the complete controls for all monitor functions. The integration into an existing control system is possible as well. For foam applications, Combining the monitor with a FireDos proportioner is ideal, since it always ensures the correct proportioning rate. The use of a self-priming nozzle is also possible. The jet projection ranges are top class. This is just what the flow components were optimized for. The largest type series, M12, can discharge up to 60,000 liters per minute and up to a range of 180 meters. This is always to the benefit of firefighters. The force required to operate FireDos monitors is very little. Effective firefighting is possible, even with one's left hand. At FireDos, we are proven experts on the two products which we designed. We just know the ropes of proportioners for foam and surfactant water, as well as of monitors. In the field of production, we ensure both quality and flexibility. Only the raw materials and standard parts are all purchased. All further parts are machined by ourselves. Our highly skilled staff in all production fields is an asset for you as a customer. We have up-to-date CNC machinery at our disposal to manufacture components of all sizes and materials. Not even one piece is outsourced. Assuring our quality is paramount to us. We are ISO 9001 certified, and we guarantee by controlled processes that every single component meets its requirements. For this goal, we use state-of-the-art equipment. In our parts warehouse, we store over 11,000 items in a defined minimum quantity. This keeps us always ready to deliver and enables us to conduct service visits without delay. Our testing facility is a special highlight. Here, every FireDos product is subjected to a comprehensive testing program prior to shipment. The equipment is capable of circulating a water flow up to 40,000 liters to put our product into operation for testing. Our customers are welcome to use the testing equipment for acceptance tests. After delivery, we will also be there for you. At your call, we do commissioning, maintenance, or repair work for you. We will be happy to train your staff in our specially equipped training facilities or at your premises. Because our mission is, we want to be your partner.